What is the difference between flour and cornstarch, and which one is better for fried chicken?
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a culinary question that may seem simple but is incredibly important when it comes to achieving perfect fried chicken. What is the difference between flour and cornstarch, and which one is better for frying chicken? Buckle up as we delve into this tasty topic.
What is flour and what role does it play?
Flour, usually made from wheat, is a common kitchen staple used in various forms of cooking and baking. It serves several roles when it comes to frying chicken. 1. Coating. Flour is used to coat the chicken, creating a barrier between the chicken's moisture and the hot cooking oil. This results in a crispy and golden crust when fried. 2. Adhesion. Flour helps the batter stick to the chicken better, ensuring an even crust all around. 3. Flavor. Flour can absorb the flavors from the seasonings, enhancing the overall taste of the fried chicken.
What is cornstarch and how does it differ?
Cornstarch, on the other hand, is a white powder derived from the endosperm of corn. Compared to flour, it has a few distinguishing features. 1. Texture. Cornstarch provides a lighter and crispier texture than flour when used for frying. 2. Transparency. Unlike flour, cornstarch becomes clear when cooked, making it perfect for glossy sauces but less so for creating a classic golden brown fried chicken look. 3. Heat resistance. Cornstarch can withstand higher cooking temperatures, resulting in a more stable and durable crust.
Which one is better for fried chicken?
The answer depends on your personal preference. If you prefer a thicker, more robust crust on your fried chicken, flour would be your best choice. It provides a classic, hearty coating that absorbs the flavors of your seasoning. However, if you're after a lighter, extra crispy crust, you may want to go with cornstarch. It can withstand higher temperatures and provides a unique crunch that's quite different from flour. Moreover, many chefs suggest using a combination of both flour and cornstarch. This blends the best of both worlds, the flavor-absorbing capabilities and adhesion of flour, with the lightness and extra crunchiness of cornstarch. A 50-50 mix can often yield excellent results. In conclusion, both flour and cornstarch have their unique roles and benefits in creating delicious fried chicken. The choice between them depends on the texture and flavor you want to achieve. Experimenting with a blend of both might just be your secret to the perfect fried chicken. Happy cooking!